Welcome to day 12 of our learning series. 4 advanced words plus idiom, with examples and short stories. Let's begin. Bias. A preference or prejudice, often unfair, that stops you from being truly objective. Synonyms: prejudice, inclination, one-sidedness.
The article showed a clear bias against immigrants. She tried to write without bias, but her opinion was obvious. This media is often criticized for showing political bias. Overcoming your own bias is the first step to critical thinking.
Thomas was interviewing for a managerial role. He noticed the recruiter's questions showed a bias toward younger candidates. Instead of feeling discouraged, Thomas highlighted his experience as an advantage and ended up being offered the position. What kind of bias have you had to deal with recently? Write it in the comments. Convey. To communicate an idea or feeling to someone so that they understand it. Synonyms: express, communicate, articulate.
The tone of her voice conveyed disappointment. He struggled to convey his ideas in simple terms. The movie conveys the struggles of ordinary people. The music conveys emotions that words cannot describe.
Sophie was leading a product team and noticed that engineers were confused about priorities. To convey the vision, she built a roadmap with milestones and explained how each step linked to user needs. The clarity boosted motivation across the team and made collaboration much smoother. How does body language convey feelings without words? Write it in the comments. Integral. Essential, necessary, and important as a part of something. Synonyms: crucial, fundamental, indispensable.
Technology is now an integral part of business. Data security is integral to modern applications. Customer feedback is integral to product improvement. A healthy diet is an integral part of a healthy lifestyle.
Raphael was an experienced manager who had led dozens of projects. He knew that diverse viewpoints were an integral part of real innovation. By bringing together people from marketing, design, and engineering, he unlocked solutions no single team could have created alone. Vaguely. In a way that is unclear, uncertain, or lacking detail, slightly. Synonyms: unclearly, hazily, faintly.
The directions he gave were so vaguely worded that we got lost immediately. I vaguely know what you mean, but can you explain it more? That idea sounds vaguely familiar, but I can't remember the details. He looked vaguely annoyed during the discussion.
On his way home, Alex noticed a beautiful stranger passing by. The stranger greeted him warmly, but he couldn't place her face. Only after a few moments did he vaguely recall that she had been his classmate, the shy and awkward girl who was always the target of school jokes. Back to the drawing board. To start planning something again from the beginning, usually after a failure or setback. Synonyms: start from scratch, rethink the strategy.
Our campaign didn't work. Back to the drawing board. The prototype failed, so it's back to the drawing board. Our first design was too expensive, so we went back to the drawing board. The deal collapsed, and we went back to the drawing board.
Adrian and his team celebrated too early when their new app hit the market. Within days, users complained about crashes and missing features. Investors demanded fixes. Frustrated but determined, he admitted it was time to go back to the drawing board. Today we've learned bias, convey, integral, vaguely. Back to the drawing board. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.